Hi, I'm Andrea, and I used to think that lipstick was only worn one way, at full intensity. I put it on fast and attempted to get it all on all at once. My attitude totally changed when I started working with seasoned professional makeup artists many years ago. They showed me the error of my ways, and now I completely understand what I was doing wrong and want to share those tips with you. A negative side effect to rushing a lipstick application is that I always overdo it. I put on way too much and I end up with a huge gloppy mess just sitting right on top of my lips and on top of itself. I haven't worked it into the skin. I haven't built the intensity slowly. I have way too much on, and that's just asking for disaster. That lipstick is gonna jump off onto every drink, every snack, like anything else it touches, and that makes it wear off unevenly and makes it wear off way too fast. Another negative side effect to too much intensity is that maintenance is increased the entire time. Let me say that again. The higher the level of intensity of your lipstick, the more maintenance is required to keep that look up throughout the day. Now, I certainly think there are times for a full intensity lipstick, like a black dress event or a special occasion, special photos, or shooting a video. However, for daily wearing, I think that less intensity looks better, wears better, and is far easier to deal with throughout the day. And I believe that frustration can really set in when we're not aware of these upkeep issues to begin with. Lipstick offers a full range of intensities, from the no makeup look to a light wash to color to bold color to striking bold. For daily wearing, I tend to stay within the light wash to color range. So here's what this looks like. This, and I'm just talking about lipstick here, don't pay attention to the eyes, but this lipstick is a no makeup lipstick. It is simply a very light one layer application, worked really well into my skin and then blotted, and its whole purpose is just to tint my lips in a slightly different color to match whatever's in my outfit or to just give a slight pigment to my lips. This is a light wash. All I did was add a second very thin layer to the top of the first and then blotted. And just in case you're curious, I'm using our lipstick in Pedal to the Metal for this intensity demonstration. I love this color. This is my color. This is when I really want it to be apparent that I'm wearing lipstick, but not like in your face. Just it's obvious that I'm wearing lipstick at this point and not just tinting my natural lip color. This is bold. This is where maintenance really becomes to play an important part throughout the day or night. And remember, like we talked about in our thoughtful application video, I'm working these layers in very thoughtfully and slowly, one on top of the other. So I'm not taking the bullet and just going straight to this layer, because if you do that, the chances of it rubbing off or being a big gloppy mess or wearing off unevenly or too quick, those chances really increase when you just put one layer on straight from the bullet. So we're really trying to work consistently in one layer at a time. This is striking bold, and I love wearing lipstick this bold. In fact, just looking at myself right now, I want to go put on a pair of heels and a dress and go somewhere awesome. However, I do know that this is going to require some maintenance throughout the day, and it's going to require a couple of things before I leave the house to make sure that I am prepped. Number one, using a lip brush, I want to make sure I go all the way to the edges of my lip, because if I don't, with this bold of a color, it's going to be really obvious and it's going to make my lips look smaller, which of course I don't want. So make sure to watch the lip brush video to kind of understand what I'm talking about completely there. And then number two, want to make sure that I do my lip plop with my finger, because if I don't, then this much lipstick on, even though I've worked it in very, small layers and been very thoughtful with my application, lipstick can still transfer to my teeth. Even after I've checked it in the mirror, it can still transfer, and then I'm like, oh man, I have lipstick on my teeth. So do this. You will usually have a little bit of lipstick on your finger, and that ensures that it won't transfer to your teeth. So just experiment with it, right? Like, there are no rules to which intensity levels are right for you. So just have fun with it, because that is what this is all about. And know those times and those shades for you where it is totally worth it to carry a little hand mirror and keep up with that maintenance. I hope you have so much fun exploring this.